know who I am, because that is the essence of the work. And so you watch me go around and talk to each of you, right? I ain't had a lot of time because, you know, I'm at that stage where anytime I take in any fluids, they got to come out. You know, I'm glad to be here. Don't misunderstand, I'm glad to be here. But what it means then is I've had to truncate some of the conversation. But I don't want you to misunderstand that. I'm being my full self in community, and I get to talk about that with you, and to leave you with a piece of me and to take a piece of you with me. And so this is really what we're trying to get at here. Conditions for healing conversations. See, healing conversations are authentic ones. They're real. They're when we're willing to step out from behind our curtains, right? To not send our representatives. You know how we send our representatives? Right? Now we have to do that in our work lives because we have great need to protect ourselves. But when we do it at home, we lose our sense of who we are. So we have to learn to stop sending representatives with each other. Now that then means that the obligation we have to hold is the one that says, I will tolerate your differences. I am because we are. That doesn't mean we are all the same. That means when we combine all of us together, we are bigger than what we are individually. So we have to see the value of what you say for me in order to find the connection. I have to see myself in you, and I want you to see you in me. That's the healing connection that begins to rebind us, right? Because the separation that we experience, this is part of the lie. We're all one people, one stuff. And it's important for us to do that. We've tried to structure learning experiences to begin to share those messages. But the experiences themselves are secondary to the being, okay, to the sense of belonging, to the capacity to become. And so this stimulation of being in community, this deepening our understanding of the history and miseducation. We've done history and miseducation through the lives of this country. But the being in community is the piece that becomes very critical for us as we attempt to strengthen, renew ourselves to continue to seek renaissance. So, what does a typical